Hey, what's up guys? It's Jacob here from TradeVibe, and in this video I'm going to show you how our Discord works, how to understand our trades, and then also how to place them on your own account. Now let's just get started right away. There's a lot to unpack. So you probably already noticed here at the beginning something called Live Now Trade Results, and that is one of our apps. We have two. We have one called Trade Guide and then one called Trade Results. Now Trade Guide is basically for you who maybe you came a little bit late to the trade and you want to know whether the trade is still valid to enter. You can click Trade Guide and you can see a visualization of the current trades that we've sent out, where there are since the trade was opened, how close it is to take profit, how close it could be to stop loss, and then our algorithm will tell you whether it's still safe to enter. If the market is already close to, like if the price is already close to take profit, then we won't advise you to enter. If the price is too much in the red, we also won't advise you to enter. All right, so Trade Results is the other app. It's basically our past 5-day performances that we showcase. Every time we close a trade, it will automatically be updated on the Trade Results in the Discord, but also on our YouTube. We basically stream on YouTube as well 24/7 with those results. You can also see these on our website. Everything is automatically updated. And yeah, we believe in that transparency. That is super important to always show your results the way that they are. Now, just a quick run over here with the how to get started. We got the authorization part, which is what you need to do in order to get the grace period. If you already did that, you won't be seeing that menu. Then we have sign up. This is where you go when you want to sign up with Vantage. And then we have Quick Guide, which is where you're at right now. And we also have a support section. This is where you can choose a topic that matters to you, and our support agents will get back to you as soon as possible, including me. If it's a trading related question, I will be one of those guys to assist you in that. Now, the fun part is obviously the trading zone. This is where you get your trade signals. We got chart work. This is where we do analysis. Then we got past results, which is where we put all our past trades. And then we got live sessions. This is where me, Matt, and Nadim will do our live sessions. We'll let you know every single time we do a live session, but Matt will most likely be doing Monday through Friday with New York, and I will be co-hosting sometimes, but I will also be striving to do London sessions here and there. We will let you know when those are happening so you don't miss out on that. Now, chat rooms, this is all for you guys. All right, now to the fun part here is the trade signals. This is where Mr. TradeVibe, he sends out the trades that are done by me, Matt, or Nadim. He doesn't trade himself. It's just him sending the trades to Discord from MetaTrader 5 that we trade on so that they get into Discord as fast as possible. We believe this is the best way to be most transparent, and also it's just easier for us to track our performances by doing this. And it looks better than having to manually write it in. Now, as you can see here, this is what it looks like. Mr. TradeVibe, he sends out an AUD/USD. You got enter now, basically meaning enter whenever you can, then the price of what we entered with, and then our take profit in price, but also in pips, and our stop loss in price and pips. Then in this case, you can see that the risk to reward is 1, meaning that they are equally sized. But if you have a trade here where the take profit is bigger, in this case, it's twice as big, then your risk to reward is 2, meaning therefore you can make more than you can lose. Now, if you click here on this trade, you can see the history of the trade from start till finish. So you can see the entry, then you can see if it was modified. So any modification the trade is going through, you will be able to see that. And when the trade is closed, you will also be able to see it in this thread. But keep in mind the thread will be moved to past results instead. And I'll show you what that means in a second. But if you go here, past results, you can see here we got all the trades. So we did 2 break-evens in a row, and then we have a win here. As you can see, this is the same trade as the one I showed you before. But what I meant by threads is that under trade signals, there will be a thread with any current trades that's open, and I will show you what that looks like in the video now. So I'll show you how quickly a trade is being executed on a platform here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the YERUSD, and it's a little bit volatile right now. So just keep in mind that this is for demonstration purposes only, but we're gonna open up a trade with a stop loss of 50 pips and a take profit of 100. I'm gonna let you know when I click, and I'm going to do that now. And as you can see, the trade was pretty quickly executed, and you can now see there's a thread right here. and you can click on it and you can see the information. It's enter now. By the way, you should at this point already like hurry up and enter, but right now I'm just going to explain what happens here. We got a stop loss of 50 pips and a take profit of 100, and then risk reward of 2. And as you can see here underneath, there's a thread open called EURUSD buy. If you then go to trade guide, you will be able to see that the trade is now running. As you can see here, you got the visualization of the trade. It says running trade valid to enter now, so you are still good to go. All right, now let's go ahead and open the trade on our Vantage platform. We're gonna go ahead and do that now. We'll go to Vantage. It was EURUSD buy, so we'll do EURUSD buy. And I remember it was 50 pips, and from the previous video, I remember that was about 0.11 lots, and then we'll put in our stop loss. It was 50 pips, so we'll click in 500 points, and then our take profit was 1,000, so we'll do this 2 times, and there you go. Now the trade has been placed, and as you can see, it's now running along with, if you go here, you will be able to see that it's also running in here as well. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do that. If I were to close this trade, then you would be notified that the trade is closed, and I can go ahead and do that right now. So if I can let you know if I close it. By the way, again, guys, this is for demonstration purposes. This I can see is going to be a loss, but don't worry. This is just a random trade that we did just for purpose of demonstrating. So let me go ahead and close it right now. I'll let you know I am closing it now. And as you can see right there, the trade has been closed, and you can see here that we closed it at break even and slightly negative 3.4 pips. And you can then see here that the thread has been closed, and this thread will then disappear in a second or two, but you can now go to past performance and you can see the trade is in the past performance. You can also go to trade results, and now you will actually be able to see that the trade is in our past performance. As you can see here, we got negative 3.4 pips, and you will basically be able to see that for the day, and therefore you will be able to see all our stats. Now again, a win rate of 66% with a negative of 2.8 pips, that's unlikely for us. At least at the end of the week, we would have much better stats, but this is just for demonstration. But yeah, this is pretty much how you do that, guys. If you have any questions about our platform, you can always reach out to us. And if you have any suggestions or anything like that, yeah, let us know. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.